Imagine coming home to a place where every detail was custom made just for you. Welcome. We're at 8319 Quarry Manor Terrace, right here in the beautiful city of Bethesda. Let's take a tour. As you enter into this 5-bedroom, 5.5-bathroom home, whether you are celebrating with friends or gathering with family, this is the perfect home for you. As we move into our office space, I want to point out the wall-to-wall cabinetry, a great place for all you investors and business owners. And on the first level, we have our powder room, and it enters right into our family room area. This is a place where family meets, connects. This is a great place to have your family gather and cook up a good meal. What could you make in this kitchen? Welcome to the master bedroom. In this space is where you're going to relax and find comfort from a long day. We have a morning area where you can make your morning coffee. You don't even have to go downstairs. We also have a flex space here where you're able to go out here and sit down and enjoy the beautiful skyline. Through here we have our vanity. We have a first walk-in closet here, a second walk-in closet here, and this is the moneymaker, your master bathroom experience. As you enter into the basement level, you have a gas burning fireplace. You have a second kitchen here, which is fully equipped, ready for you to entertain in your basement. We're gonna kick back with our feet up in our family theater space. It is equipped with surround sound, a screen, as well as 8 seats. This is great for entertaining or just a quiet night at home. Experience the charm of 8319 Quarry Manor for yourself. This is a place where your family can enjoy, unwind, relax, and live comfortably here. Schedule a showing today, and I'd be happy to give you a view of what this house has to offer you and your family.